If you've ever been in a meeting where everyone argues about which partner is truly capable, you know how subjective and frustrating partner assessment can be. Today, I'm going to break down why this happens and introduce a tool that brings objective, data-driven clarity to the process. By the end of this video, you'll understand how AnalyzeCapabilities works and how it can transform your partnership strategy. Let's start with context. Why is assessing partner capabilities so difficult in the partnerships industry? At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. It's because we're often dealing with incomplete information, biased opinions, and a lack of standardized metrics. Generic tools like spreadsheets or basic CRM systems aren't designed for deep capability analysis. They force you to manually compile data, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. Real-world challenges include comparing partners from different industries, integrating data from various sources like websites, case studies, and financial reports, and ensuring that every evaluation is consistent across your team. This leads to inefficient partner selection, missed opportunities for synergy, and ultimately partnerships that don't deliver as expected. Now, let's dive into the technical method behind AnalyzeCapabilities. At its core, this tool uses a scientific approach to categorize and score capabilities. We ingest data from multiple sources, think CRM entries, public data, internal reviews, and more, and normalize it into a consistent format. Key concepts you need to understand are capability baselines, which set standard expectations for different partner types, and multidimensional scoring, which evaluates partners across areas like technical skills, market presence, and service offerings. A common misconception is that capability analysis is just about checking boxes, but it's actually about understanding relative strengths and weaknesses. Our method quantifies these aspects, so you're not just relying on qualitative impressions. So, what does AnalyzeCapabilities specifically do? First, it automates data ingestion, pulling information from your connected systems and external sources. Then, it establishes baselines based on your industry and partnership goals. The software calculates scores using weighted algorithms that you can customize. For example, if innovation is critical for you, you can weight R&D capabilities higher. It also maintains a complete audit trail showing how each score was derived, which is crucial for compliance and internal reviews. Plus, you can run scenario models to see how changes in partner capabilities might affect your strategy. Imagine simulating a partner's expansion into a new region. How would that impact your joint offerings? Let me walk you through a hypothetical example to make this concrete. Suppose you're a SaaS company looking for an implementation partner. You have two candidates. Partner A has excellent technical certifications but a small team, while Partner B has a large global network but less specialized expertise. Using AnalyzeCapabilities, you'd input data on their certifications, team size, project history, and client feedback. The software would score each partner on dimensions like technical proficiency, scalability, and customer satisfaction. You might discover that Partner A is ideal for complex niche projects, while Partner B is better for broad rollouts. This measurable outcome helps you decide which partner to engage for specific needs without making unrealistic claims about performance. When it comes to compliance and reporting, AnalyzeCapabilities generates detailed reports that are both comprehensive and easy to understand. These reports include visual dashboards, score breakdowns, and rationale for each assessment. They're designed to be stakeholder-friendly, so whether you're presenting to executives, legal teams, or board members, the insights are clear. The tool aligns with regulatory requirements by documenting the entire analysis process, ensuring transparency, and reducing risk in partner due diligence. To close, AnalyzeCapabilities empowers partnerships teams with objective, efficient, and consistent capability analysis. It turns a messy, subjective task into a streamlined, data-driven process. You can make better partner decisions, identify synergies faster, and build a more robust partnership ecosystem. If you're ready to stop guessing and start analyzing with precision,